Discover the natural pain relievers in your kitchen. Today, we're exploring natural pain relievers you might already have in your kitchen. We'll share 9 simple ingredients that can help ease pain naturally, from headaches to sore muscles. Who knew your spice rack could double as a medicine cabinet? Using these everyday items is convenient and adds a fun twist to your health routine. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's discover these kitchen wonders together. Ginger is powerful for reducing inflammation and pain. Its active compound, gingerol, has strong anti-inflammatory effects that soothe sore muscles and joints. Add ginger to meals with smoothies, teas, or stir-fries. Studies show ginger can be as effective as some pain relievers for arthritis. Spice up your meals and your health with this amazing root. Turmeric is known for natural pain relief thanks to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin reduces inflammation, making it a great choice for chronic pain. Add turmeric to your diet with golden milk, curries, or smoothies. To boost benefits, pair turmeric with black pepper for better absorption. Embrace this vibrant spice for a healthier, pain-free life. Garlic isn't just tasty, it also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These compounds can help with pain, especially arthritis. Use garlic in stir-fries, roasted veggies, or homemade dressings, but be cautious, as garlic can interact with some medications and may upset the stomach. Enjoy this powerful ingredient in moderation. Honey isn't just a treat, it has soothing effects on pain and inflammation. Its antibacterial properties help with sore throats and wound healing. Add honey to teas, drizzle it on oatmeal, or use it for coughs. Research shows honey can reduce inflammation and speed recovery. Choose raw honey for the most benefits and enjoy its natural sweetness. Cinnamon isn't only tasty, it also relieves pain naturally. Known for reducing inflammation and boosting circulation, cinnamon helps with arthritis pain. Add it to oatmeal, smoothies, or baked goods for flavor and health. Besides pain relief, cinnamon is full of antioxidants and may help with blood sugar. Sprinkle some cinnamon into your meals for both taste and wellness. Cloves are great for tooth pain thanks to eugenol, which numbs pain and reduces inflammation. Apply clove oil to painful areas or make clove tea by steeping cloves in hot water. But remember, clove oil is potent and can cause irritation if overused. Dilute with a carrier oil and consult a professional if needed. Peppermint is a natural remedy for headaches and muscle pain. Menthol's cooling effect relaxes muscles and improves blood flow, offering quick relief. Apply peppermint oil to your temples for headaches or enjoy peppermint tea for tension. Use with caution if you have GERD or are pregnant, as peppermint may worsen these conditions. When in doubt, consult a healthcare professional before use. Apple cider vinegar is versatile and helps relieve joint pain and inflammation. Its alkalizing effects balance your body's pH, reducing inflammation. Mix with water and honey for a drink or use it as a salad dressing. For sore joints, dilute with water and apply topically. Studies suggest it may help reduce arthritis pain, making it a useful addition to your health routine. Epsom salt is excellent for muscle pain relief due to its magnesium, which relaxes muscles and reduces inflammation. Add it to a warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes to let your body absorb the magnesium. Or make a foot soak by dissolving Epsom salt in warm water. Beyond muscle relief, it can reduce stress and improve sleep, making it a great self-care addition. These natural remedies are effective and easy to add to your routine. Give them a try and feel the benefits for yourself. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching and take care.